Hello everyone, welcome to Karnataka exams. This is a part 4 of the FDA question paper 2004 which we were discussing. In part 3 there was some mistake and because of that the audio was not audible. I'll correct the part 3 and upload it again. So for now we'll discuss 5 questions from 21st to 25 and the important explanations about the same. First one is, which is the coldest planet in the solar system? The coldest planet is Neptune. So when this was the question paper which was set in 2004, but Pluto was changed to dwarf planet in 2006. So at that point of a time Pluto was the answer, but now if they ask, the eighth planet, which is Neptune, is the answer. In which industry is a cupola furnace used? It is used in foundry. The Bretton Woods twins are IMF and IRDB. IRDB is World Bank. In which year did WTO come into existence? It came into existence on 1st January 1995. The longest day of the year is June 21st. The longest day of the year is June 21st, whereas the shortest day of the year is December 22nd. You can remember it is like this: longest comes first and the shortest comes later. Shortest is December 22nd and the longest is June 21st. Here we can see the solar system. The closer planets to the sun is obviously hottest planet, and the farthest planet from the sun is actually the coldest planets. So the farthest two planets, which is Neptune, is farthest and Uranus is also farthest. These both are also called as ice giants. Before 2006, the last planet was Pluto, and this was known as coldest planet. But in 2006 it was declared as dwarf planet. It was declared as dwarf planet. Now currently there are 5 dwarf planets. One is Pluto, Ceres, Haumea, Makemake and Eris. This is important. The what are the dwarf planets? These are the 5 dwarf planets which you have to remember. So in a latest update about these planets, in 2017 a science group proposed new definition new definition for planethood. That is, what are planets? Like that, the new definition they proposed, and according to that, round objects round objects in the space which are smaller than the stars. Round objects in the space which are smaller than the stars are known as planets. That is what they said. According to this, then the number of planets, which presently the number of planets is 8, right? So if this is implemented, then the number of planets from 8 will increase to nearly 100, because there are many objects in the space which are smaller than the stars, and they are round also. The second question was, in which industry is cupola furnace used? The cupola is most widely used foundry furnace for melting ferrous metals and alloys. Now what is foundry? Here we can see this is foundry. It is a factory where metal is melted. Metal, it is melted and then it is poured into specially shaped containers. These are the specially shaped containers. Metals are melted and they are poured into specially shaped containers to produce the objects. So this is foundry. Hence cupola is used in foundry. What are Bretton Woods twins? IMF and World Bank. World Bank, which is IBRD. Please write the full form of IBRD in the comment section. In Second World War, a lot of countries were ravaged. To help in the reconstruction of these war-affected countries, reconstruction of war-affected countries, IMF and World Bank were set up. These two organizations were agreed to be set up at Bretton Woods. These two organizations were agreed to be set up at Bretton Woods Conference, which is a place in US. Okay, so these two are known as Bretton Woods twins. The Bretton Woods Conference is formally known as United Nations Monetary and Financial Conference. United Nations Monetary and Financial Conference. WTO or World Trade Organization. Here are four important points to remember. It came into existence on 1st of January 1995. It is the intergovernmental organization. We have discussed what is intergovernmental organization, and it was formed under Marrakesh Agreement, and it replaced GATT. Okay, it replaced GATT, came into existence on 95, intergovernmental organization and under Marrakesh Agreement. Please write in the comment section the full form of GATT and IBRD.